Hello from Slovenia again. We are out of electric power today, but I have enough kind of daylight to do something, and I have quite some paint mixed for a long time, and I will do this bottle bottom straight pour on this round canvas. So I will start with darker color. This is indigo blue, because I want to have kind of a sunset look or something, and I will add some ultramarine blue. I just have to be careful because I don't want to add a lot of paint, because I don't need a lot of paint. And permanent blue violet. It's 12-inch round. Whoop, this one has some blobs in it. And some opera rose. And quinacridone magenta. Nope. And vermilion. And yellow at the end. And I think that I have too much paint. And cadmium yellow lemon hue. Okay. I just have to grab a paper napkin or paper towel to wipe my hands a little bit. And my Lolly Weffy silicone mat. So I hope that it will not be too dark. Whew, I should try to find kind of a middle. I don't know. Kind of here. I don't know, about here. About. Okay, so let's start. Oh, did you see what a big blob of paint I have? And we get our electricity back. I have to grab this big blob of paint. Yikes! Gross. Okay, and another one. It's easier for me to pour it like this, so I will pour it like this. I have to strain my paint before I will use it again, because it's obviously a lot of nasty thing in it. And the last one. And now I have too much light, probably. Just a second. Or not. No, it is better with the lights. And again. Let's see. If your paint is sitting around, even if you have lids on or something, it's good to check it before you pour, otherwise you will get what I get today. Nasty blobs of paint, and I don't know where it was. Maybe I will see it when I will start spinning around, so I will add some white around just to help my paint flow better. And I'm using my drip-offs lately for jewelry. I did some beautiful pieces lately. If you are interested in some of my purchase, some of my jewelry, you can contact me and I will give you link where you can see it on video, so but you have to hurry. Okay. And now let's see what I can do here in the middle. I will just try to drag some of these lines that are already there into the middle. Maybe some of them towards the outside, just to incorporate this a little bit. To these lines that are already there, and I didn't do this one. Okay. Oops, and I think that I have a blob here. Let's see what will happen. I don't have my paint in the center, so I will just try to tilt it a little bit first before I will spin it. So okay, maybe a little more. Ooh. And I think that this will be it, because I have a lot of paint. I will just check my sides. Too much paint, definitely, but I still like it. So I will leave it. I will just wipe my floors. Otherwise I will step into this and take you for a close-up. Just trying to, it will not flow off the table. So let me take you down. And I have a glare, just a second. Okay, better. I really like these tiny lines that they are here, and this depth in this tree. I don't know. Maybe I like it that way. I don't know. So weird lights. Just a second. If I can. No, this is even worse. So sad when you can't show all this beauty on camera, because in real it's much more vibrant, like it looks here. But as usual, I will show some dry results on Sunday Live. I will have Sunday Live this week. I didn't have it last week because I wasn't feeling well. But now I'm feeling better, and I will definitely do my live. So I really like this one. I like this lightening around or something with this orange and magenta. It's really beautiful. So I'm happy. Tell me what you think about it. I think that it's kind of nice. I'm happy. I see kind of an orchid here in the middle. I don't know. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.